Our prayers are with the families, and we stand in solidarity with them in this moment of sorrow, and we stand in solidarity with the people of Florida at this painful time. In today's meeting, I observed, and this is not Harjinder's statement, this is what I observed after meeting Harjinder. He's also grieving and carrying a heavy mental anguish over what has happened. I saw sorrow and suffering in his eyes, and he is praying, he's doing Sikh prayer and ardas for the victims' families, and he is in solidarity and he is facing mental anguish for what happened that day. And I also observed, and he made this statement, as soon as the incident happened, he came out of his seat, went to that van, broke open the window or the glass and held the hand and told him, buddy, the help is on the way, please stay with me. So that clearly states that he deeply feels grief and sorrow for the incident that has happened. But it is also important to note that Harjinder's case is one of tragic misjudgment and not of an intentional or malicious act. Harjinder did not set out to harm anyone in any way. And right now, to treat him or portray him as a malicious killer, it would be very unfair and wrong at this time. What happened was an accident that caused pain and took lives of many, but it was not committed with an intent. Harjinder is a Sikh hailing from Indian occupied Punjab, and he fled India, the Modi regime, because of the persecution which he was facing and the persecution which pro-Khalistan Sikhs are facing under Modi regime. With this background, Harjinder came to America to build a new life with hard work and dignity. But as a gesture of compassion and empathy, Sikhs for Justice, that is us, we will be committing $100,000 in humanitarian aid for the families of the deceased victims, and that will be delivered through the office of Florida Governor DeSantis. At this time, American Sikhs' call is very simple. Let compassion guide us. Let there be compassion for the families, fairness for Harjinder, and justice guided by truth, not by fear, vilification, or hate. This is what America stands for, and this is what we must uphold in this face of tragedy.